Hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to sort out this badge for my speaker cabinet. In the previous video I refurbished my speaker cabinet and all I need to do now is just put the finishing touch onto it and then I'm going to sell it. First of all I'm going to clean this up. It didn't quite work me trying to paint onto it, so what I'm going to do is to just sand it all off. It's plastic, but let's see what happens if I sand this off. And then what I'm going to do is to stick a new sticker on top. Because I basically looked online and these are really expensive and you can't quite get the old retro ones like this anymore. So I'm going to be making a new one. So let's start by sanding this down. Didn't work. It's taken a notch out the side, so it's got a bit of a dent in it. So what I'm going to do is cut out a bit of plastic. Okay, now for the next bit. We're going to sort out the logo. I'm using this Cricut machine, or as Americans call it, Cricut. But that's just not Cricut, according to the English. So what we're going to do is to cut it out using that. And I'll show you how we're going to do it. Okay, I've drafted the logo out in this Design Space software, which is free online. And then we're going to cut it with the machine. Can't really see it, but what we're going to do is to cut or pick out all the bits that we don't want, and we just want the Trace Elliott logo showing. So I tried to sort the badge out that I had previously, but damaged it, and then I tried to then use a paint tray, and that's too flexible, so it's not that good. So what I've done is bought a bit of rigid plastic, so I thought may as well do it properly. I'll cut this out using my miter saw and get it accurate, get it the same size. I'll use this as a template, and then using the Cricut machine I'll cut a new badge out. Okay, I'll cut this out using this as a template, get a nice straight edge from this bit and then just draw around the rest. But I'll also get a nice straight edge from using my miter saw. Okay, you can just see that. Let's go and do it. Okay, that seems about right now. It's nice and smooth around the edges, and I've just rounded the edges slightly as well. So let's go and put the Cricut cutout onto it. that's now ready to put this onto the plastic. First of all, I'm just going to get any grease off with Surgical Spirit. And then I'm going to use transfer tape to be able to transfer the sticker onto the plastic. Okay, so peel away the transfer paper, line up the grid onto here. Burnish it, take off any air bubbles. And then peel the backing away. Let's line it up as best we can. And then burnish it. Okay, now peel the transfer tape away. Yes, that's pretty good. I'll make sure all the air bubbles are out. You can just see it's looking good. Just to get some of the air bubbles out, put this on and then draw the air bubbles to the edge. Okay, I'm going to use double-sided sticky tape to stick this onto the speaker cabinet. Okay, now it's time to fix this onto the speaker cabinet. You can see how well this has come out compared to the old design, so it's definitely worth doing it. First, what I'm going to do is just to wipe it down with Surgical Spirit again. Get rid of any grease. That'll help it to stick. Just hold it over, see where it's going to go, in line with the vents. And then peel away the backing. And then we'll stick it on. Make sure it's all lined up. And then push it firmly in place. Great, that's another job done. And that's how you can use a Cricut machine or a Cricut machine to DIY your own badge or logo for anything you want. So that's how I tidied up my amp, and I'm ready for selling it. So thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for some more DIY videos.